Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Some of my people ask me, so Mel, I want to avoid a fall. Do you have exercise for that? I do, and I want we practice them together. So we're going to start right here sitting on the chair, and then I'm going to show you what to do when we are standing behind the chair or beside the chair. Shoulders down and back, grab your right leg, open, let it go. Do the same thing, left, bring it back. So why I'm doing that? When we fall, it's pretty quick. So I want you to keep the reflex to put your foot down quick to avoid the fall. Okay, let's go. Bring it back, up, bring it back. 4, 3, 2, and last one. That's it, and release. Now we're going to stand up. And then you're going to go beside your chair. You can even go behind your chair if you need more support. So I'm okay. I know I'm solid on my legs. If you need 2 chairs side by side to have more support, that's another idea. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring my right leg up and I'm going to put my foot down quick. Push back. Same thing with your right. Up, inhale, exhale quick. Bring it back. Ready? Up and quick. Bring it back. Up and quick. Let's try to go a little bit quicker. Just respect with joints. That's it. 2 more times. Up and quick. And again, up and quick. That's it. And release. Let's do the same thing to the left. So I'm going to do the same thing. Left knee up. Lift the chest. Quick down. Bring it back. Up and quick. I'm so happy there's nobody underneath me because it's pretty loud here. Again, up and quick. 2 more times. Up and quick. And one more. Up and quick. Beautiful. And slowly release. Let's go behind your chair. We're going to go side to side. Again, less fingers as possible right here on your chair. Bring your right knee up. Fall to the right. Same thing to the left. Up, left. And come back. Up, quick. Come back. Up and quick. Come back. Again, quick and back. So I do this exercise with my 65 plus all the way to 100 years old. We need to keep your reflex. Let's go up. That's it. One more time. Up and down and release and gentle march. There's another one we can do behind. So if I lift my right knee, we're going to go quick at the back. So option 1, easier if you use 2 fingers on your chair. You can do as well right here, up and back. So 1 finger on your chair, okay? You choose where you want to be. Lift the chest. Inhale. Exhale quick. Come back. Again, up and quick. And back. 4 more. That's it. In 3. And 2. Do you feel the work in the hip? Yeah, and we need that. Beautiful. And release and move your hip. So you can stay behind your chair to do the left leg, or option 2, a little bit more challenging or harder, to come right here on the side of the chair. Less fingers as possible on your chair for balance. Ready? Lift the chest. Lift the left knee and quick back. Bring your leg back. And again, up and quick. And come back. Up and quick and back. 4, 3, and 2. Last one. There we go. And release, march, and move your hip. So voila, these are the exercises for you to do. So keep your reflex, guys, to avoid falling. See you soon.